Now moving on, the Sessions Court in Bangalore is expected to pronounce its order on the anticipatory bail plea of Railway Minister Sadananda Gowda's son Karthik in connection with a complaint of rape and cheating filed against him by Kannada starlet. The actress's lawyer submitted before the Sessions Court judge that Karthik should not be granted relief since he is an influential person who may destroy evidence. Also submitting documentary evidence seeking to establish the fact that the actress and Karthik had got married at his residence in Mangalore in June. Now, police teams from Bangalore are in Kodagu and Mangalore to hunt for Karthik, who is yet to appear before court despite an arrest warrant against him. Ratnika, my colleague, joining me live from Bangalore for the latest on this. Ratnika, a lot of expectations really. What is going to happen today as far as the bail plea order is concerned? It was reserved, for today after the court heard both sides of arguments yesterday. But another question is, where is Karthik?
Well, yesterday the arguments did conclude regarding this case, the anticipatory bail. They heard both sides of the argument, and today we are told that at 11 o'clock the judgment will be given out. So basically that's the anticipation today as to what exactly may be given. But what Karthik Gowda's lawyer was driving home the point the last 2 days was that if the actress claims that she was married to him, then the whole question of rape does not come into question. So the charge of 376 should be dropped, and if today the charge gets dropped, then of course Karthik Gowda's case becomes stronger. While the police is saying that they still haven't found out where exactly Karthik is, but the hunt is on, the investigations are going on, and the police has said that they have summoned him twice to the police station, but he hasn't come, which means they have declared him as an absconder. So technically, if the police does catch hold of Karthik Gowda before the judgment, then they would be in their limits to arrest him. So everybody is really waiting for the judgment today at 11 o'clock.
All right, Ratnika Sharma, thanks so much. We'll keep coming back to you as and when the case progresses.